Yes! Hey, there's your BGS Michael. Today I'll shed a little light into this world with the LED work flood light from BGS Technique. So, I'm now at the vehicle with the BGS LED work light. This small device really has it all and lots of features. Now I would like to explain them to you in detail. As you can see from the front, we have here in the middle the LED area with an optical lens. The optical lens ensures that you really illuminate the whole area perfectly, absolutely great. Then on the sides we have two speakers. Let's flip it and the bracket folded in. Then you can see a dial up here. In the middle of the dial is the on and off switch for the LED light. I will now press this one. You see how bright the whole thing is. And if that's too bright for you, then you have the dial and the possibility to dim the output. Perfect! Then in the lower area you have two modes. The first one is there for you to use your cell phone to pair. And the other one is down here for you to activate this additional interface. I'll open it and show you. You can then use a USB cable to connect and charge your cell phone. Because this device also has an integrated power bank. Perfect! Now we're going to pair our cell phone. Bluetooth is ready to pair. Bluetooth is connected successfully.
The Bluetooth is ready to pair. The Bluetooth is connected successfully.
Yes! And we hear our favorite BGS track. You have just seen how the LED work light illuminated every area of the vehicle. For me, an absolute highlight and a must-have. Stay tuned, your BGS Michael.